Hi, this is another video from the Newberg Technology Group. My name is Sam. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Newberg Tech Group and on Twitter, Newberg Tech GRP, and visit our website at newbergtechgroup.com. We're going to be taking a look at some items that we have in. We're going to be looking at the AKiTiO NT2 U3.1 2-bay USB 3.1 enclosure. This dual-bay RAID storage enclosure uses USB 3.1 Gen 2 and provides fast transfer rates of up to 10 gigabits per second. The enclosure also features a security lock to keep the device secure when a security lock is used. This device allows the user to configure the enclosure in a few different setups: non-RAID, RAID 0, RAID 1, and spanning. Since the enclosure can be used in a non-RAID configuration, the device can solely be used as a backup. Another option is to use the device as additional storage and a backup at the same time. Each drive that is placed into the enclosure can be used independently. On top of that, the product is very easy to use and is compatible with Mac and Windows. In order to use this enclosure, hard drives need to be purchased from a quality manufacturer. One such manufacturer is Seagate. Visit Seagate.com for more information. If RAID is being implemented, purchase NAS drives or enterprise drives to lessen the likelihood of any problems in the future. If RAID isn't being utilized, Seagate desktop hard drives or Seagate SSHDs, their solid-state hybrid drives, can be used instead. Once the drives are purchased, they can easily be installed in the front of the enclosure. It takes no time at all. Once that is done, it's now time to flip the unit around to the back and then move the switch to the position that relates to the desired RAID configuration, or non-RAID for that matter. After that, attach the appropriate cables to the unit and then connect it to the computer or the laptop's USB 3.1 port if one is available. If not, the device is backwards compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.0. Finally, let Windows or your OS recognize the hard drives and follow the prompts on the screen. You can also head over to AKiTiO.com for more information. That's AKiTiO.com for resources on getting the device properly configured, or check out the various other storage-related products they offer. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.